Hey guys, good morning, and today I'm going to store, as I said it again, and I'm going to do another vlog and do things like that. So, I mean, it looks going to be rainy, but as you can see, it's like sunny out right now. But like, it's not that sunny, but it's like, you know, sunny enough to be bright and all that stuff. And yeah, so obviously this is a video that I'm going to be doing for vlogs, future vlogs, and more videos for you guys. And I'm going to use I'm using my Vivitar wide angle lens and make sure my exposure is good and my little lens here is good, and make sure I'm in focus as well, so you guys can see me. I'm in focus right now, so it'll be pretty awesome that I'm in focus. So right now I'm using my Rode Video Mic Pro, and actually it sounds pretty cool. It has a wind muff and aka Dead Cat, which is actually pretty cool, and it sounds absolutely amazing. And I'm getting the audio level correct and audio perfect for this video. Stop cleaning. Start cleaning. Start cleaning. Stop doing this. Stop doing this. Stop doing this. Yep. Coming. Do I have to sign? Do I have to? Oh my god. Who's that? Oh boy. How are you?
Good. These ones just need a signature.
Yep.
Great. Thank you.
Have a good day. Do you want me to open the garage?
Yes.
Okay. Please? You only had the bag in the... Okay, the daddy's thing here. Open the garage. Open the garage. Ooh. I said my dad's thing. My god, it's raining. Jeez. Good thing I have my lens cap. Hopefully I have my lens cap. Hopefully I have my lens cap so you guys can see it. But Safeway is not. Safeway is not what? Let's open the garage. Let's go. It's not gonna pour.
Today it's 50%. Okay, you go again.
Get what? It's not a good idea stepping backwards. Where's your purse? In here? Probably that's your your phone. Probably that's your phone. Just you know. Maybe what?
What do you call that? Marshalls.
Marshalls.
I don't know what I said, Marshalls.
I don't know where what is in Marshalls either. They have a lot of stuff, but oh man, that's not good. Ah! So bright, so bright. My God. People are like really, and I'm wearing long jeans, and it's really, if I make my pants. Oh God, that's so annoying. The little kids again. Oh my gosh, little kids again, little kids again. But it's crazy, isn't it? What? No. Dang it! I should run my backpack because I have room for the.
You should go get it.
Oh no, I'm good.
Where did you put your,
Oh
go to
yeah.